How would you like to go to sleep at night without a financial care in your life about which to worry? What if the only decision you had to make is to align yourself with something or someone who could make that come true? What if you didn't have to worry about doing that yourself? How much do you think it would cost you if that were possible or existed? What if you can get in at no charge to you, and all you had to do is not go out for dinner with your family about 2 times depending on what restaurant you went to and what you ordered? Would you be mad at the owners of that restaurant if they said to come back when you have the funds? What if there were a company that would give you their product or service, and all you had to do is pay for it 1 time out of your pocket? Getting back to that restaurant, would you get upset if the owner said that because they feel good about you and your family, they are not going to charge anything for this meal? Now you are upset because you don't have your food. There is a company that is about to launch, and if you leave before it launches, you will leave your dreams on the table and leave hungry. Remember, this company will satisfy all your financial needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more info on this company.